Once the funnel is running full steam, you need to frequently evaluate and optimize it. Ask yourself, is the call to action working? Use Google Analytics to see how many people are coming to the page, then compare it with how many people are clicking the call to action button.
And if this isn't working, change the call to action to something else, then compare the results. Are you asking for too much information up front? If people are clicking the CTA button but not filling out the form, then evaluate if you're asking too much info and then remove some required fields or some fields altogether. It's still important to have those screening questions that will remove the wrong type of client. However, if the percentage of visitors submitting the form is low, then adjust the amount of information and compare.
Is the funnel actually broken? Maybe your emails are not going through? Technical issues are always at play, and it's important to test that your emails are going through and your campaigns are in fact sending. Using a third-party SMTP provider, you can check logs to see if emails are bouncing back or getting blocked.
Now, where are they falling out of the funnel? Constantly evaluate your biggest drop in engagement and where you can smooth it out. If 50% of people never respond to book a call, then maybe add another step in between your interest email and the request for a call with another email to educate and provide value. Continue to adjust and play with your funnel until it's working the best for you.